I got another one now. I'm going up to Mount Hood Meadows, basically on Highway 35. It's a Tesla with heavy front end damage. I'm not exactly sure if they hit another car or what, but I'm just going up for the one. It has been really icy this morning. It was down to 28 degrees. So I'm guessing that's why they got in a wreck, is because of the ice. Yeah, I'll let you know when we get a little bit closer. And this one should be an interesting one. See you then. Alright, I'm pulling up to the wreck now. I was pretty surprised because when I first got to the scene, you really can't tell a whole lot of damage on the vehicle. When I first got the call, they said that there was heavy front end damage, but looking at the car, it looks like there was only lower bumper damage, and that passenger front wheel he had let me know that the reason why he got into the wreck was another driver was coming down the hill and crossed over the center line, causing him to swerve to try to miss the vehicle. And luckily he missed the vehicle, but he went up onto the side of the shoulder and almost flipped over his car, but luckily made it back into the road. Unfortunately, it did cause some damages to the underside of the car and some of the components. And also, when he got into the wreck, it caused all the airbags to deploy on the passenger side. I think as well, the crash sensors in the vehicle also went off, which shut off all the power to the car. Because of this, I had to winch the vehicle up because it was stuck in park, so I wasn't able to get it to go into drive or neutral or anything. We weren't even able to get the windows up. I put the skates under the front wheels, that way it would pull to the center of the flatbed when I started moving. The back tires I didn't worry about because of where it was located. On the side of the road there was plenty of gravel, so the back wheels just slid on the gravel onto the bed of the truck. Once we got all 4 tie downs onto the vehicle, it was ready to hook up and head out. Since it wouldn't roll, check out how I got it off the truck here. Now to get it off, because the brakes are on the rear wheels, I had to get the skates and hammer them underneath the back tires. That way it would reduce friction and the traction onto the bed. That way I could get those tires onto the ground easily, and then I could work the bed out from under it once the tires were on the ground. I like to leave the hooks on the front while I'm trying to get the car off the truck, especially using skates, because I've had it before where if it picks up a lot of speed on the skates, the car will move down really rapidly, and I don't want it to pick up any kind of speed. Luckily here, it doesn't really move too fast, and then once I get it on the ground, then it's really no concern of mine that it's going to roll away because I know the brakes are on the ground. Now that I had the rear wheels onto the ground, then I could work on getting out from underneath the front wheels. So I lifted the bed up so that it's not hitting the skirts on the car and it's not going to rub the pavement underneath the tow truck. Then I released the winch and slowly pulled forward to get those front wheels as close to the edge of the bed without falling off. Key thing there is you really have to make sure you don't go too fast or that the wheels come up there, because that'll cause a lot of damage. Well guys, we were able to get that Tesla off the road. You couldn't really tell by the video, but there actually is quite a bit of damage on that car. It's not so much on the outside, but on the inside, all the airbags deployed. So once the airbags are deployed, all the crash sensors were also deployed, so it wouldn't let the vehicle have any power. So I don't know, it's a Tesla, so it's got a lot of electrical stuff I don't know nothing about. But yeah, we got it back onto the flatbed, and then we ended up towing him all the way to the Tesla dealership in Portland. We'll get that one out there, then he's gonna get it all fixed up again. I'll let you guys know when we get another one. See ya.